Hi, this is Sergio and Olga. This is our last day in India after 12 days,
Yes.
11 days here. And now, just to summarize our trip. First of all, we have a great time here in India. We really enjoy the trip and the program. Nothing to complain about. Hotels, all the hotels that we find were really good hotels, nice. Some probably a little bit out of the center of some cities, so we could not make some walkarounds. But in any case, all the hotels were nice. Also, the guides that we had.
Yeah, very professional and very close to us to attend our necessities.
Yeah, well known about the history and everything. We learn a lot about all the gods in India. We can even remember all the names. Maybe only the three main ones. We're not gonna try now. And very good everything. And then the best part, our driver, Ravi, just really professional, kind, and he helped us to enjoy the trip. So we are really thank you to Ravi to be so professional.
Yeah, he controlled a lot all the program, so we were very safe going everywhere.
Yeah, I told him he could be a F1 driver if he want, because he drives so perfectly. Everything is always clean. He's on time. He managed all the schedule and planning, so it have been really helpful and have make our trip even more special, safe, and enjoying it. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, cheers.